Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mariyea for those of you guys who are new here, and today I have a very fun unboxing video for you. Okay, so like I said, we're going to be unboxing a new order from Plum Paper, and I'm so excited. I have had my eye on this planner. Yes, there's a planner in here. And this layout for ever since I ordered my current daily. I ordered this and immediately I'm like, okay, I screwed up. I should have bought this layout. I really want to try it. But I honestly just didn't know how to incorporate it into my planning system. And you'll see why once we open it. So let's just get into it. I'm super excited. So yeah. So if you've never purchased a Plum Paper planner before, this comes standard in the packaging. So this is just a little about Plum Paper and some of their items that they offer. We'll set this over to the side. It comes fully wrapped in bubble wrap. And then this is just a little information about how you could win the purchase price of your planner and how to care for your planner. I'm not going to go into all that just because it's kind of boring. And then this is actually kind of cool. It's a sample of their cover, like the material of their cover. So it shows that it is water resistant, tear proof, and rigid and sturdy. And it's definitely tear proof. It just does like indent. So you have to be careful with not bending your covers. Next, I did get a little bit of add-ons and accessories just because I never knew that their covers were interchangeable because they don't come like sliced on the coil, so you would have to cut them to be able to add on covers. But I think that's so cool. I love changing my covers. I'm such a person that's like scared of which cover I'm going to purchase because I get sick of things very easily. Like, I'm already sick of my cover I chose here, and I thought I would love this for a long time. So, yeah, there's that. I did purchase one of their bookmarks. It's kind of sad that they don't come already, like, with the planner, like Erin Condren, but I guess that's kind of like a luxury. But I loved the look of theirs and that it's clear. Like the Erin Condren's is frosted, and I love these hexagons. So that is awesome. I did pick that up. It was only $3, so how could I say no? So yeah, I will be using that. And then as far as covers go, a little sneak peek of the seasonal one. I purchased this one for fall. And I love it. It just gave me all the fall vibes. And it's kind of funny because it's actually called Winter Blooms. So it's actually a winter cover, but with the mustard and this navy, it's just screaming fall to me. So I can't wait to snap that on her. And then I loved this cover for winter. It's so cute. I love the little trees and how they look. All the different shades of green. So yeah, I purchased that as well. And that's all for the extras. Let's just get into this planner because I'm excited. Here she is. And warning, it will be loud with the crinkles, but I love it. All right. So this was the cover of the month when I purchased my planner. But I loved it. I got 10% off the planner just for ordering it. But it's such a pretty color. I love the terracotta and the pink. So yeah, I purchased that. If you don't have a Plum Paper, there are two separate covers. you have that material that we just tore a bit ago, and then you have a clear sheet, which some people don't like. I'm fine with it. It's just the cover. So I did buy another A5 size, and look at the coil size difference. That is ginormous. And the reasoning being because I did get a 16-month planner, but B, I also added 20 sheets of notes pages. So you can customize this planner however you'd like. There's so many customization options on their website. And that's why I feel like a lot of people still use them. Well, not still use them, but, you know, are attracted to them. It's just that customization abilities. But yeah, so I got a weekly planner this time, and I'm excited to show you the layout. I did get the modern color scheme, so you can choose between the modern, neutral, and colorful. Here is your yearly overview or your year at a glance. I love that it's only 12 months. I hate that the Erin Condren is, 16 months? Yeah, nope, 18 months. It shows 18 months in the Erin Condren, and I just like the January to December because that's all I use my planner for. Even though this technically starts in September, but we're not going to worry about that. And, oh wait, okay. Excuse me, but this is 2021, but we also have 2022, so that's cool. Okay. And then we also have these little boxes, which in my last planner, I didn't use them. I don't know. I mean, I wasn't in that planner very long. I do want to kind of find a use for these. And you also get blank ones. So that's awesome. All right, let's just get into it. So here is the page dividers. You get a blank sheet here. Let's see if you get that every month. So it turns into a lined page for that previous month. So yeah, this is just, maybe I can make like a vision board or something here. This is the dashboard page for the Plum paper. It's standard throughout all their planners. This, you're going to have to write with like a permanent marker or a permanent marker pen, whatever, because it is kind of slick and it's not that paper material. I haven't used these yet. I've honestly had half the mind to just tape these together so it can open straight to my monthly, but I don't know. We'll see what I end up doing with those. I'd like to use it. It seems very functional, so I don't know. Here's the monthly. And then are you guys ready to see what planner I chose and what I will be using to sort of act as my daily planner? Let's see. Okay, so I purchased the vertical priorities. I'm so excited. Honestly, my reasoning behind this is just I'm a to-do list person for my dailies. Like, here is, today is Sunday, the 29th of August. I literally just wrote out everything I had to do. I don't need a whole page for my planning. Like, I really don't. Let me make sure there's nothing like, okay. So, most days, okay. Most days, I don't even know what I'm writing here half the time. Like, this looks good to me, and I love this, and it looks like I have a reason to buy this planner. So, yeah, this looks good, but the reality of it is not every day looks like this. And there's been plenty of days where I just don't have enough things to write down. So I feel like I'm wasting space, and I'm the type of person, I don't like white space. So this gives me anxiety of like, okay, what? And then also when I like write out my to-do list on a piece of paper, I don't know where to put things. And then I also get kind of confused when it's like, okay, here's what Happy Meal I got today. Here's what I have to do. Here's a bill I had to pay. I don't know like where to look to see what I have to do still. So that's why I purchased this, and I'm hoping it just helps me. I might just need to have a notebook and write down to-do lists every day. But I think that this will help me so much. I did customize it. You can customize these to have labels, so you can have them already pre-printed on here. I think one goes there, one there. You can label this habits or whatever you'd like. But I just left it all blank. I like the versatility of being able to change that as my style and my mood changes. Another thing to note that's kind of like, for me is, so this is the week of September 27th through October 3rd. If you flip over here, the first week of October is September 27th through October 3rd. And that just kind of confuses me because why post it twice, you know? But I guess depending on the type of person you are, you might want to use one in a different month because this starts in October. For me, I'm just going to use whichever week has the most color in it for that month, I will use. So this week I'll use in September. Here in October, I'm going to tape these 2 pages together. That is how I'm going to do it. But yeah, so let's see. There's a different one. No. All right. So yeah, but I think I covered almost everything. Let's see. Let's flip to the back. So like I said, I did add 20 notes pages, and I honestly don't have a plan for them other than the fact that they're nice to have. Just to write down things as I'm on the go. This was the only add-on I did for the planner other than the additional months to start in September instead of January. Now, normally all that comes is these 2 or 4 sides of dot grid pages. We have our contacts, which is double-sided, a passwords, which is nice, and then a 2023, so that's even further out in advance. And then you always get this little pocket folder, which I do need. I have some stickers in this one that we can just transfer over. Like so. So yeah, I will be doing plan with me's in this, and I'm super excited because they will be a different style. I'm going to try and do plan as I go plan with me's. So I will be starting it this a week. So tomorrow. I'm so excited. Here is our little ruler. That is so nice. I love this ruler. I was kind of scared that it wasn't going to work in the A5, but it does. And yeah, so I'm excited, guys. Get excited to see plan with me's. I don't know really how I want to use this yet. I was kind of thinking about using kits in here because this is another cool thing about this planner is in the A5 size, this is still 1.5 width. So you can use those full box stickers that you have. But my problem is there's just not that much room. And I was honestly thinking about like putting them in the middle here and using this as just like a weekend one because I don't know. I don't know, guys. Let me know down in the comments below if you have tried a vertical priorities or if you're interested in trying one. This just looks so fun. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it was a quick one. I just wanted to unbox it with you and share my new planner obsession with you. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.